Hi guys, this is Param Krunal Modi and I am the owner and founder of Slim Possible Diet. With over 9 years of experience in food and diet planning, I am here today to discuss about post-pregnancy care. So firstly, let me thank Ovumanya for getting me to this platform. Thank you Ovumanya. So let's get started guys. Food and nutrition plays a very important role in new mother's life. She has just come out of a phase which is very difficult. Maybe it's a cesarean or maybe it's a normal delivery. The mode of delivery is not important, but she has been through a very tremendous stage where she needs a lot of good food, rest, and a lot of care. So today we are going to discuss how food and self-care and taking care of her own self, all these things are going to help her in getting a fit body, a healthy body, and as said, healthy mother can raise a healthy baby. So you yourself have to be very very fit and healthy to rise up a good and a healthy baby. So nutrition, let's talk about nutrition first. Do you remember those laddus which our Nani Ma and Dadi Ma gave us? Yes, and I still remember while I was lactating I used to have those laddus too. Those laddus are full of galactogogues. That the galactogogues are the food groups that helps in milk production. That's a lactating food. So galactogogues, for example, are garlic, almonds, all the nuts. In fact, bajri, edible dink, that is gond. All this helps in milk production plus the healing also, because the mother has been through the process and she needs to heal herself also. So these foods are really really important. The other thing which is very important is having homemade food, homemade, fresh and warm. Try to avoid overnight foods, like food which is cooked overnight and it was left over so you are having it in the next day. Don't do that. Have warm fresh food. So this is how taking care of small things is going really going to help you. Plus sleep. Now a new mother is going to face a little problem with the sleeping, because the baby schedule is, nowadays the baby schedule is so bad that now these kids, they are awake at night and the entire day they sleep. So make sure that you set a right schedule for your baby so that you can also sleep and rest on time. So this is how if you have a proper sleep, if you are sleeping enough, then you will be waking up fresh and your energy levels will be high, plus your entire day will not be so lethargic. And I'll tell you one thing, I have consulted over thousands of mothers, the new mothers who just delivered. They are so anxious for losing weight and they are so afraid that what will happen if this weight gets stuck, what will happen if I don't lose this baby fat, this paunch is very visible, I am feeling very low on energy. So guys, only one thing, take it very slow. You've just been through a very big phase of your life. Enjoy your motherhood. Don't be very very scared that if you don't lose weight what will happen. You have time. Go very slow. You didn't gain overnight, so you are not going to lose overnight. So I would take it from me that go one step at a time, slow and steady, so that you don't go back to the old way. And I have seen people like mothers complaining that their mother-in-law and their nannies and daddies and mother is forcing them to have those laddus. Practically these laddus are going to help you in lactation, and if you feel that these laddus are piling on the weight on your tummy, or you feel that you're gaining weight because of this laddus, this is not right, because you are not gaining weight because of the laddu, but you are gaining weight because of the chips also that you have along with the laddu, or maybe any junk food that you have along with the laddu, the cravings that you get. Choosing wisely is really important. There is always a healthy option available. How do you choose, and how do you want to kill your craving or satisfy your craving? I should say satisfy is the right word. How to satisfy your craving is more important. If you are craving for a sweet, no need to have jalebi. You can even have a fig or a date. Even that is going to help you in satisfying your cravings. So from nutrition point of view, you should take care of mindful eating, sleep and rest. These are the three things. Plus workout. Now I would not say a new mother should start working out immediately after a week or so, but at least start a little walk at your own speed that you're comfortable with, and then gradually increase the intensity and the timings. Then you can slowly move on to workout if your gynecologist is giving you a green signal for workout. So make sure you work out regularly, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Don't sit after your meals. Walk at least 15 minutes. घर पे ही चल लो, but you walk for 15 minutes. So that's all for nutrition. Stay tuned for how to take care of yourself, and how self-care and hair care and skin care and knee problems and back pain, how do you take care of all this. Until next video, bye, take care.